The error code 2 in an HP Deskjet printer typically signifies a paper mismatch. This issue can occur due to several reasons, including paper size mismatch, paper type mismatch, and sensor issues. To resolve the code 2 error, it is essential to verify the paper size by removing any sheets that differ in size from the rest of the stack in the tray and ensuring that the print settings match the paper size loaded. For instance, it is crucial to distinguish between letter and A4 sizes. Additionally, verifying the paper type is necessary, as the printer settings should match the type of paper loaded, such as glossy photo paper for photos, cardstock for thicker paper, and plain paper for standard documents. It is also important to ensure that the paper being used corresponds to the selected setting. If a sensor issue is suspected, carefully cleaning the paper path sensors with a soft, lint-free cloth may resolve the problem. However, if the issue persists, it is recommended to consult the printer's manual for specific instructions on sensor location and cleaning procedures, or contact the manufacturer's customer support for further diagnosis and assistance.